Hi guys, Brad and Brian here at West Bend Dyno. We have a customer's 1967 Plymouth Fury with a 383. This car originally came with a carburetor. Customer bought the car. Someone had upgraded it to an MSD fuel injection setup on it already. It's the MSD atomic fuel injection. Customer brought the car to us. He had some complaints. It wasn't idling quite right. He put it in out of gear, it would want to die. It was dying at stop signs, wasn't starting quite right. So we have quite a few things we can do to solve that, and one of the biggest things is being able to utilize the timing control that already comes integrated into the system and most aftermarket fuel injection setups that a lot of times we see our customers not utilizing. So on this particular setup, without the timing control, you have an idle air control motor that opens and closes real slowly to allow more air or less air depending upon the load of the engine. The idle air control motor is really slow. It's hard to target exactly what you're looking for. So for us to be able to utilize timing control allows us to build a timing curve based on load, so it will advance or retard the timing according to the load on the engine. This particular setup, in order to do that, you do need to upgrade a few components. So we can bring in a little closer here and show you some of the stuff that we did upgrade. We installed an MSD distributor with an adjustable rotor, which is required to be able to do timing control, an MSD coil, and an MSD CDI ignition box. With this stuff installed, we can now turn on those parameters and utilize the timing control for better startup, better in and out of gear engagement, better cruising fuel mileage, and all around a better experience. So we're excited to get this car on the dyno and out on the street and show you guys the results. So stay tuned, and we'll let you see what. Here we go. Final cruise after we hooked up the timing control on the atomic MSD, and just like we thought, everything came together. The timing control took care of the dipping and the dying when we're going from park to reverse to drive. Cruising really nice, very consistent. Coming up to a stop sign worked great. RPM barely dipped at all. Very happy with it. So just like we thought, timing control did the trick and should be another happy customer.